Continuing on major and minor losses, we are going to solve a numerical on this. The question is like this: a horizontal pipeline 40-meter long is connected to a water tank at one end and discharges freely into atmosphere at the another end. Right? What he has told? He has told a water tank is there here. One end of the pipe is connected to a water tank which is of length 40 meter. For the first 25 meters of its length, the pipe diameter is 15 centimeter. Let us take, for this is the 25 meter length, the 25 meter length, this diameter is told as 15 centimeter diameter. This is 15 centimeter, this is 25 meter. Right. And what is told, a horizontal pipe of 40 meter long is connected to a water tank at one end and discharges freely to the atmosphere. Right. That means one end is connected to the water tank, another tank is discharged to atmosphere. That is a 40 meter long pipe. But in that 40 meter long pipe, the first 25 meters of its length is having first 25 meters of its length of pipe having 15 centimeter diameter. Then its diameter suddenly enlarges to 30 centimeter. Right. That means now the diameter has been increased here. Right. To how much length? How much length? That is total length here he has given as 40 meter. Right. 40 minus 25 is here 15 meter. Right. And this has been discharged to atmosphere. Right. Here we have a water in the tank. Right. Now what is told? The height of water level in the tank is 8 meter above the center line of pipe. That means this is the center line of pipe. This height is given as 8 meter. Right. And then he has told, considering all losses of head which occur, determine the rate of flow. Take F as 0.01 for both the section of pipe. Right. That means he has given total length L is equals to 40 meter is connected to a tank, and then L1 is the first length of pipe, that is this one, that is 25 meter, and L2 is nothing but L minus L1. This becomes 15 meter. Then what he has given, and he has given the diameters D1 is 15 centimeter, right, that is 0.15 meter, and then he has given D2 this diameter he has given, that is 30 centimeter here, that is 30 centimeter, which is equals to 0.3 meter. The height of water level from the tank, that is H, he has given 8 meter. Right. Considering all losses which occur, determine the rate of flow. That means Q we need to find discharge. Right. Then what he has given, determine the rate of flow. Take F is equals to, F is 0.01 here. Right. Sorry, which is this is equals to this one. Right. Right. Take F is equals to this one. Both the sections of pipe. Right. For both the sections of pipe here. Right. That means he has asked to find out the consider all losses of head which occur, determine the rate of flow here. Right. Now we shall do this numerical with respect to H. H is equals to what? What are the losses we have here? First is loss of head at entry here. Right. Loss of head at entry plus loss in the loss of head in loss of head due to friction in pipe 1. Let us say this is pipe 1, this is pipe 2. Loss of head due to friction in pipe 1, right. Next, plus due to sudden enlargement, loss of head due to sudden enlargement, right, plus loss of head due to friction in pipe, loss of head due to friction in pipe 2, then loss of head due to exit, loss of head at exit, right. These are the laws what we have here, right. So in general I can write this one as H is the loss of head. H is equals to H entrance plus H of friction due to pipe 1, loss of head due to friction in pipe 1, plus loss of head due to sudden enlargement, plus loss of head due to friction in pipe 2, plus loss of head in exit, that is equals to 8. He has given this value here, right. But we know Q is equals to A1 V1, that is equals to A2 V2, right. What he has asked? Has asked to find out, considering all losses of head which occur, determine the rate of flow, right. Now to find out that, we need to know either A1 V1 or A2 V2, any one we need to know, but in this is not given the velocity of flow here, right. We need to find out any one velocity here, right. Now to find out that, I will be writing all the equations, that is 8 is equals to loss of entrance is loss of head due to loss of head at entrance is 0.5 V1 square by 2G. V1, why V1? Because it is in section pipe in section 1, that is. Next, F1 L1 V1 square divided by 2G. This formula is due to friction in pipe 1, plus loss of head due to sudden expansion. Sudden expansion here occurs in two sections, 1 and 2, pipe 1 and pipe 2 here. So the velocity is loss of head becomes V1 minus V2 whole square divided by 2G, right. Then friction in pipe 2, F2 L2 V2 square divided by 2G into D2, right, plus loss of head at exit is V2 square divided by 2G, right. Here we know we don't know V1, we know F, we know L. V1 and V2 are unknown in throughout this equation, right. So what I will be doing here is, I will take the continuity equation, that is Q is equals to A1 V1 which is equals to A2 V2. I will write any one term in terms of other. Let us take V1 is equals to A2 by A1 into V2, right. So V1 is what? V1 is 0.3 is A1, right, that is pi d square by 4, 0.3 square, that is here D we have as 30, right. See here what we have, D here is 30, I'll elaborate and I'll write here what we have. V1 is area, this one is pi D2 square divided by 4 whole divided by pi D1 square divided by 4 into V2 here. 4 pi get cancels, remaining will be V1 is equals to D2 square divided by D1 square into V2, right. So V1 we need to find out, V1 is equals to 0.3 square D2 divided by 0.15 square into V2 here. So this value will be 4 times of V2, V1 will be 4 times of V2. Wherever we have V1 we can directly substitute as 4 times of V2 here. So this equation becomes 8 is equals to 0.54 V2 whole square divided by 2G plus F here is 0.1, right? F here is 0.1, 0.01 into length for first section is 25 into, here you can see length here is for first section, first pipe is 25 into V2, V1 square is there. So I can write as 4 V2 whole square divided by 2 into this is 9.81 into 9.81 plus V1 is 4 times of V2 minus V1 whole square divided by 2 into 9.81 plus this F2 is 0.02 into L2 here we got as 15 meters, right? That is 15 into V2 square, right, as it is, divided by 2 into GD here, sorry, D here it is 15 centimeters, that is 15 or 0.15, right, 0.15 here. So this becomes G is 9.81 into 0.3, right, plus V2 square, right, as it is, V2 square divided by 2 into 9.81. So in this complete equation we have only unknown here is V2, right, only unknown here is V2. So find out the value of V2, you will get V2 is equals to 1.8642 meter per second, right. We got the value of V2. Now we can directly substitute in this formula and find out V1 here, right. Then what he has asked to find out a discharge Q. Q is equals to A2 V2 here. Substitute that, it is pi by 4 into D here is 0.3 square into V2 1.864. We will get the answer, right. Similarly, to find out V1 is equals to 4 into 1.864, we will get answer V2, right. Thank you.